So Anikesh, excited for the OnePlus 13?
Yeah, I always wanted to use one Samsung S series flagship, hence I bought one S23 2 years back. Now I'm done with it, and also I wanted to upgrade to something powerful, and I think currently the better choice is OnePlus 13, so I'm gonna purchase it right now. Let's go.
Let's go, let's go! Anikesh, what do you think about the OnePlus 13?
It looks smooth right now. It's very smooth, I would say. But I don't know why do we get this Google message and Google dialer. It should have been some other applications also.
Anikesh doesn't like the Google dialer that comes built in. There should be some way to get the Realme dialer, I guess. Realme.
It's the same Oppo, Realme. I think we can get the Realme dialer.
Smooth.
If you're from Siliguri, definitely visit the OnePlus Experience Store at City Center, ground floor opposite SBI ATM. Super friendly staff and store owner. Definitely visit the store for all things OnePlus. Alright guys, expect OnePlus 13 content on the channel very soon, so make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Take care, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.